Once again, Sawan is here to teach you lead code problem, which is lexicographical numbers. First, we understand the lexicographical numbers. Here's the part. So, here's the numbers given, which we have to convert in the lexical. What is the mean that if it starts from the one, lexical is denoted as one. If start with one, we have to say same initial, which is 11, 10. They start from the these numbers. It means initial is one, so each and every number which present has one, it will denoted as lexical numbers. So here lexical numbers are 1, then 10, 11, then 13. After that we have to move to the second part, which is 2. If here present, which is 21, this again will start with the this number, then it will move like this. So here is the whole part of the code. So how we wrote this part, let's understand. So we first we need to check the sorted lexical graphical order. Then we have to multiply with the correct number, which we start from the 1. If it start from the 1 into, then it gives 10. So 10 and 13, which is small, 10 is smaller with 13, so it will run. If it will run with 10 into 10, so 100 is here, so it will gives error with the, so it will go on to the another part of the code, which we have to take the modulus part. Let's understand more by the code. First I will write the code. So let's understand with the code. First we initialize the from the current equal to 1. For result, we give the every list of the output, which is we have to print in this result. So we apply the condition here, which is the length of the result would be smaller than the n, which is 13 here. As I told you here, this gives the condition is it will true. If it gives, this will go in the else part. Then what I done here, the calculation part is here. It will compare with the each and every iteration. First it will iterate with the 1, then 10, then 11, 12, 13. After that, if there is a 2, so it will come to the else part, which we have to it will. So what is lexical, which is we have to print up to the, not up to 13, because here given 13, we are comparing the 13. If generally in lexical part 1, 10, 11, 12, 13 up to the 19 lexical part is when gone. After that, 2 will start. Then if 21 is present, 21 printed, or then compare with this gives the 3, then 4, then 9. So here that's why we modulus by the 10 equal to 9 part. So after that, if and this will give the iteration. If it's approved, this will give then 2, then 3, plus 1 will added. At last, by the backtracking, it will check all the output, then printed return to the current part. So let's run the program. So it accepted, then submitted. Yeah, it's approved. Thank you.